Top 5 apps like CnFanscom review that actually work today. CnFanscom is popular for fan communities, but most people get this wrong by using unverified or inactive platforms. The surprising truth is several apps provide active fan engagement, verified content and safe interactions. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Amino offers fan communities with verified moderators and interactive features. Users highlight active engagement and secure chats. Second, Discord provides servers for fan groups with real-time messaging. App users appreciate moderation tools and community events. Third, Reddit features active fan subreddits with verified discussions. Customers love transparency and variety of content. Fourth, Fanhouse connects fans directly with creators. Users report secure payments and authentic content sharing. Finally, Patreon lets fans support creators and access exclusive content. Users value verified creators and safe subscriptions. Pro tip: always engage through apps with verified moderation and secure accounts. This ensures a safe fan experience. These 5 apps help fans connect, interact, and enjoy verified content safely and effectively.